Hello everyone, this is Iconic channel and today I'm going to show you how to remove green screen, or also known as how to make continued meme on Camtasia 2020. So first we need to import media. After that you can click any video over here. This one is I'm using this one, and after that I'm making a push here, and it just waiting. And now put the after this we split it up, and now remove the and now remove the I'll delete this and extend frame maybe 8 seconds, and now test it up. Okay, after that okay, I can dance it clearly. Okay, split it up and we put the no, put this one, visual effects, color adjustment. Let's get back to it. Okay, let's color adjustment, and then it's happened. Okay, after that I'll put the to be continued video. I'll put and then wait a second, and then I'll test it up. Now slow a little bit. Wait until it. And then I'll Okay, and yes, much better. And then I'll extend it up and remove the color. Wait. And then it's simple and you. And there, that's all. And here is the result. Wait, I almost forgot. And the size, and I'll put in here. And here is the result. Well, thanks for watching and hope this tutorial will be useful for us.